Renault alarm systems are designed to prevent theft by monitoring your vehicle for unauthorized access. However, they often trigger false alarms due to issues with the sensors that detect movement or openings. The most common cause is faulty door or latch switches. These electrical contacts detect if doors are open or ajar, but dirt accumulation, corrosion, or misalignment can cause them to send false signals to the alarm system. Bonnet sensors, usually plunger or magnetic switches, detect when the hood is opened. Loose wiring or plunger wear can cause false closures or openings, triggering the alarm. Interior motion sensors, often passive infrared or shock sensors, detect movement inside the vehicle. They can be hypersensitive to environmental factors like pets, wind, nearby cell signals, or even temperature changes. Low battery voltage, below 12 volts, can also cause false alarms. The system may interpret voltage fluctuations as sensor faults, especially with poor battery health or grounding issues. Newer Renault models are getting over-the-air software updates to recalibrate sensors and reduce false positives. However, older models often require hardware fixes like cleaning contacts or replacing sensors. Start troubleshooting by checking fuses. Clean sensor contacts with electrical cleaner. For door latch switches, inspect for dirt or corrosion. WD-40 can temporarily fix sticky bonnet plungers. If you have a Renault Clio 4, this is a common issue. For Renault Zoe, charging can cause false alarms due to inductive interference. Consider using an OBD2 scanner with Renault-specific software for diagnostics. If problems persist, microswitch replacements may be needed. ECU reprogramming may be needed, costing $100 to $300 per component. Expert opinions suggest annual contact cleaning prevents 70% of issues, especially corrosion. Remember to check your battery voltage and grounds.